Understanding Fixed-Rate Mortgages, a simple guide. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic that many of you might find useful, especially if you're considering buying a home or exploring different types of loans. We're talking about fixed-rate mortgages. Understanding this term can make a huge difference in your financial decisions, so let's break it down together in a simple and clear way. Stay tuned as we explore what fixed-rate mortgages are, how they work, and why they might be the right choice for you. A fixed-rate mortgage is a type of loan where the interest rate remains the same throughout the entire life of the loan. This means your monthly payments for principal and interest do not change from the first payment to the last. It's a popular choice for borrowers because of its stability and predictability. Whether you're borrowing for 15, 20, or 30 years, you'll know exactly what you'll pay each month, making it easier to budget and plan for the future. One of the biggest advantages of a fixed-rate mortgage is the financial stability it offers. Since the interest rate doesn't change, you won't have to worry about rising rates affecting your monthly payments. This can be particularly reassuring in times when interest rates in the economy are volatile or rising. Another benefit is simplicity. With a fixed-rate mortgage, it's easy to understand your loan terms, and there are no surprises. This makes it an excellent choice for first-time homebuyers or anyone who prefers a straightforward loan structure. While a fixed-rate mortgage has many advantages, it's important to consider all aspects before making a decision. For instance, fixed-rate mortgages often come with higher initial interest rates compared to adjustable-rate mortgages, ARMs. This means you might pay more in interest over the life of the loan if rates stay low. Additionally, if you plan to move or refinance within a few years, an ARM might be more cost-effective. However, if you value stability and plan to stay in your home for a long time, a fixed-rate mortgage could be the better choice. We hope this video has helped you understand what a fixed-rate mortgage is, along with its benefits and considerations. Remember, choosing the right mortgage depends on your personal financial situation, future plans, and the current economic environment. If you're considering buying a home, it's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor or mortgage specialist to explore your options. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. We wish you the best in your home buying journey and in making the financial choices that are right for you.